Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a topic that's super important for all of us home cooks. Did you know that some leftovers can actually make you sick? Let me break it down for you. First up, eggs. They almost always contain salmonella, especially if they're runny. Reheating can increase the risk, so it's best to eat them fresh. Next, chicken. Raw chicken is a hotspot for salmonella too. Make sure it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit when cooking and only reheat it once. Seafood lovers, listen up. Seafood is highly susceptible to bacterial growth. Always refrigerate it within 2 hours of cooking or 1 hour if it's above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Rice might seem harmless, but it contains which multiplies at room temperature. Refrigerate it promptly after cooking to avoid any nasty surprises. Potatoes, especially large baked ones, can foster or botulism. Reheating in a microwave doesn't reliably kill harmful bacteria, so be cautious. Now for those healthy eaters, spinach and beets are nitrate-rich foods. When reheated, they can convert nitrates to potentially carcinogenic nitrosamines. Serve them raw or lightly cooked. Breast milk should never be reheated after it's been fed to a baby. It can harbor bacteria from the baby's saliva, causing digestive issues. Cold-pressed oils like flaxseed, olive, and canola are sensitive to temperature. Reheating can make them rancid and unsafe. Oily foods like French fries can produce harmful fumes when reheated, especially in the microwave. Reheat in the oven at low temperature or avoid reheating altogether. And finally, buffet food. It's often not kept at temperatures hot enough to kill microbes, so avoid taking those leftovers home. Remember, keep your food hot above 140 degrees Fahrenheit or cold below 40 degrees Fahrenheit if you're not eating it within 2 hours. Stay safe in the kitchen and enjoy your meal. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Catch you next time.